Hey guys, done a couple of videos from my real estate office, so I thought I'd take a different approach and do one from my my other office. I just want to take a minute and say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. It's a good one so far. It's not Christmas yet, but it's my first Christmas as Daniel, and it feels good. And I'm just trying to finish up last minute order. Here's my eagle. I'm not very good at eagles. I don't like doing them. I do bears a lot more than eagles, but it's fun. I love working outside, and it's finally snowing here, thank God. Yeah, so I just wanted to say hi, and I hope you all have a good time with your families or your friends, or you know, just enjoy life. I guess it's a good time of year to be thankful and all that good stuff. So catch you later. All right, I'll be doing a 3-month video update next week. I can't believe it's almost 3 months already, but we'll see ya. Bye.